Good day, Ma'am Pinky. We will be presenting our research title called Influence of Technology on Business Owners and People around Our Lady of Fatima, Antipolo campus. This study explores how technology impacts local business operations and growth. Next. Introduction. Technology is a key driver of change in the business world, reshaping industries, operations, and customer interactions. Businesses now rely on advancements like automation, AI, digital marketing, and e-commerce to improve efficiency and competitiveness. This research examines the impact of technology on productivity, communication, decision making, and market trends, offering insights for sustainable business growth. Background of the study. Technology is reshaping the business world by enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and transforming operations through advancements like automation, AI, digital marketing, and e-commerce. This research explores how these innovations impact productivity, communication, decision making, and market trends, offering insight for sustainable growth in a digital era. Statement of the problem. According to the discussion above, the researchers look at the influence of technology on business owners, people around Our Lady of Fatima at Antipolo campus. What is the demographic breakdown of the respondents? Age, gender, students, or owner. Next is practicality of technology adoption for business owners. Cost effectiveness and capacity of technology effectiveness of different technology logical based on. Next is basic tools, software and platforms, advanced technology, and last is drawbacks of the technology and benefits of the technology.
Okay, so now we proceed to the scope of the study. This study explores the impact of technology on businesses or business owners, people at Our Lady of Fatima University and Antipolo campus, focusing on areas like digital marketing, automation, online transactions, and communication tools. Data Data will be collected through surveys and interviews, considering variables such as business size, industry type, and level of technological adoption. Now we proceed to the delimitation of the study. This study is limited to the businesses near Our Lady of Fatima University and Antipolo campus, excluding online-only or distant businesses, and focuses solely on localized current academic year data without addressing broader national or global economic impacts of technology. Now, we have the significance of the study. This study aims to examine the influence of technology on or business owners and students around Our Lady of Fatima University and Antipolo campus, providing valuable insights for owners to improve operations, for students to understand real-world applications, for the school to assess the local technological impact, and for future researchers as foundation for further study. Now we have theoretical framework. This study is based on the Technology Acceptance Model, TAM or TAM, and um, UT, focusing on how factors like usefulness, ease of use, social influence, and support systems affect technology adoption among business owners and students around Our Lady of Fatima University and Antipolo campus to improve productivity and communication. And next, we have the conceptual framework. So, as shown on the graphics above, first we have the business owners' expectations towards technology, forwarded to the use of technology, and next is the respondents' perceived impact. The figure above shows the conceptual model that will guide this study. The diagram reflects how the expectations of the respondents influence their willingness to adopt and utilize technology. It then considers how the actual usage of digital tools, such as e-commerce platform, automation, software, and communication apps, affects their business or academic outcomes. Finally, it evaluates the perceived impact of these technologies on productivity, communication, profitability, and decision making.
So, Lokelo's study. The study was conducted near Our Lady of Fatima University Antipolo campus, chosen for its blend of traditional and modern businesses and access to the tech-savvy student and entrepreneurs. Next, please. Research design. A descriptive quantitative research design was used to measure technology usage patterns among business owners and student entrepreneurs through structured agree or disagree questionnaires. Population and sampling. The study purposefully selected 60 business individuals. I mean, 60 involves individuals from Our Lady of Fatima University Antipolo area who actively use technology in their business operation. Research instrument, a structured questionnaire with agree and disagree items was used to gather demographic data and access technology adoption, tools, and perceived impacts. Next, please. Data gathering procedure. With data were collected via online and printed surveys distributed to the enabled and editable wait, ulit. Sorry, putang ina, nabubulol ako.
Hello?
Wait lang, nabubulol ako, gago. Wait lang. 3, 2, 1. Data gathering procedure. Data with collect via online and printed survey distribute to the editable participants after informed consent with obtained. Data analysis. Scripted statistic include frequently counts and percentage were used to interpret the trends and impacts of technology on business activities.
Demographic profile of the respondents ulit. Wait. Okay, one, two, three, go. The social demographic profile of the 60 respondents reveals a relatively balanced gender distribution, 55% for female and 45% of male. A predominantly young age grown up with most age 20 or 23 and above, and a majority being students 66.67% compared to the business owner 33.33%, suggesting a sample composed of early career individuals and active participants in both academic and entrepreneurial environments. Um, Practicality of technology adoption for business owners, cost effectiveness. The responses indicate that cost effectiveness is a major factor in technology adoption, with the vast majority of respondents prioritizing affordability, avoiding cost technologies, and emphasizing values for money. Even the expense of the advanced tech features showing that practical and budget conscious decision making drives their technology choices. Capacity of technology. Um, Business owners favor technology that is practical, easy to use, scalable, productive, and compatible with existing systems, demonstrating a strategic and efficiency-driven approach to tech adoption. Effectiveness of different technological tools, basic tools, software, and platforms. The responses show that most participants regularly use and feel confident with basic productivity tools such as word processors, spreadsheets, presentation software, and communication platform, with high agreement on their effectiveness and sufficiency for daily tasks, underscoring their central role in both academic and business activities. In advanced technology. The results reveal strong engagement with advanced technologies, with most respondents using tools like AI and automation and recognizing their role in improving performance and driving innovation. True, 73.33% also express difficulty keeping up with rapid tech advancement, indicating both high adoption and the ongoing challenge of staying updated. Benefits and drawback of using technology and business. Drawbacks of the technology. The responses strongly affirm the positive impact of technology, with over 93% of participants agreeing that it enhances communication, boosts productivity, and improves access to information, increases daily convenience, and expands educational accessibility, highlighting technology's broad and transformative benefits in various aspects of life. Respondents overwhelmingly agree that technology enhances communication, productivity, convenience, and global access to information and education, underscoring its vital role in modern life. Last is benefit of the technology. The findings reveal that while technology offers many benefits, a significant number of respondents acknowledge its drawbacks, with 60% to 91.67% agreeing that it can reduce face-to-face interaction, harm mental and physical health, cause addiction, lower self-reliance, and contribute to job loss, indicating widespread concern about its social and personal consequences. Respondents recognize the downside of technology, particularly its impact on health, social interaction, self-reliance, and employment, signaling the need of balance and mindful tech usage.
And now let's move on to the summary of findings. The study found that technology significantly impacts both students and business owners near in Olfo Antipolo campus. Most respondents, primarily students aged 20 to 23 years old, value affordable, user-friendly, and scalable tech tools. Basic tools like email and spreadsheets are commonly used, while over 90% also use advanced tools like automation and analytics. While technology boosts productivity and innovation, challenges such as keeping up with rapid changes and concerns about health and reduced social interaction were all noted. And now let's move on to our conclusion. And finally, let's move on to our conclusion. Technology plays a vital role in improving productivity and innovation in both academic and business settings. Business owners prefer cost-effective and scalable tools, while students show strong digital literacy. Despite its benefits, technology also presents challenges such as over-independence and job displacement. The study emphasizes the need for strategic and mindful adoption to ensure long-term growth and success in a digital world. Now let's move on to recommendation. The study recommends continuous digital skills training for both students and business owners through workshops on key tech areas, support for SMEs through financial aid and improved infrastructures is essentials. Schools should promote responsible tech use and integrated real-world digital businesses scenarios into the curriculum. A collaboration effort from educators, businesses, and policymakers is needed to ensure inclusive and sustainable digital growth. And that concludes our report. Thank you for your time and listening.